Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to flip video in CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import the video you want to add. Now select the video and find the edit button. Then click it. You can flip your video by clicking the mirror button. This will flip the video from left to right. And if you want to rotate your video by 90 degrees, then you can do that by clicking on rotate button. And that's how easily you can flip or rotate your video using CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.